What is the origin of kebab dish? The origin of the kebab dish dates back to ancient times and is rooted in Middle Eastern and Central Asian culinary traditions. It is believed to have been first developed by Persian, Turkish, and Arab cultures, eventually spreading across Europe, South Asia, and beyond. Early origins, ancient times, ancient Mesopotamia and Persia, 2000 BCE, 500 BCE. The earliest references to grilled meat on skewers come from Mesopotamian and Persian civilizations. Persian soldiers would grill meat on their swords over open flames, especially during military campaigns. The word kebab is derived from the Arabic word kabāb, meaning to grill or to roast. Medieval Islamic influence, 7th to 13th century. The dish spread across the Middle East, influenced by Arab, Turkish, and Persian cuisines. Kofta kebab, ground meat skewers, became popular due to easy preparation. Persian cookbooks mention kabāb barg, grilled meat slices, as early as the 9th century. Ottoman Empire, 14th to 19th century. The Ottomans perfected the art of kebabs, popularizing shish kebab, skewered meat, and doner kebab, vertically roasted meat. Doner kebab became the ancestor of shawarma and Greek gyros. Spread to South Asia, Mughal-influenced 16th century, the Mughals brought Persian and Turkish kebab styles to India and Pakistan. This led to the creation of Sikh kebab, Shami kebab, and tandoori kebab, often infused with local spices. Modern global popularity, 20th to 21st century. Turkish immigrants introduced doner kebab to Germany in the 1970s, revolutionizing European fast food. Today, kebabs are enjoyed worldwide, from Middle Eastern shawarma to Indian kebabs and Greek souvlaki. Famous kebab variations by region: Middle East: shish kebab, kofta kebab, shawarma Turkey, Adana kebab, Iskender kebab, doner kebab. India and Pakistan: Sikh kebab, tandoori kebab, galuti kebab. Greece: souvlaki, gyro China, Xinjiang, chuan, lamb